Refresh your gut, how to craft prebiotic soda at home. Welcome to our DIY journey, where today we're diving into the bubbly world of prebiotic soda, a gut-healthy delight. Prebiotics feed our guts good bacteria, improving digestion, enhancing immunity, and boosting overall health. Let's get brewing. First up, gather your ingredients: water, sugar, prebiotic fiber like inulin, and a starter culture. Simple, yet so effective. Begin by dissolving sugar in warm water. This isn't for you but for the thriving bacteria that'll transform this mix. Next, stir in the prebiotic fiber until fully dissolved. This fiber is the fuel, powering up our beneficial gut friends. Time for the starter culture. It kickstarts fermentation, turning our simple solution into a fizzy, gut-loving prebiotic soda. After fermenting for 24 to 48 hours, it's ready. Enjoy your homemade prebiotic soda, a refreshing path to a happier, healthier gut.